everybody, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make costillitas de puerco en chile colorado with nopales. This was one of the most requested videos for me to make, so I'm gonna go ahead and make it, and I hope you guys like it. The ingredients are 1 pound of pork spare ribs, half a pound of nopales, 2 roma tomatoes, and 2 garlic cloves, 10 chiles guajillo, 4 chiles de arbol, salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of comino, and chicken bouillon. We're gonna start off by preparing the salsa for the costillas. We're gonna add all our chiles, the 2 tomatoes, and the 2 garlic cloves. Next, I'm gonna add about 4 cups of boiled water. Turn on the stove and leave it on medium heat, and I'm gonna let it cook for about 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna turn off the heat, and then I'm gonna transfer all the ingredients into the blender. I'm also gonna add some of the water, not all of it, but some. I'm also gonna be adding the chicken bouillon and the oregano and comino to the sauce. My meat was previously cut and washed, so now I'm gonna transfer it into the pot. I'm gonna add salt and pepper. Now I'm gonna add some water, but just enough until it covers all the meat. Turn on the stove and set it on medium heat and cover it for about 40 minutes. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes and I'm gonna check on the meat. As you can see, the water already evaporated and the meat is starting to fry. See how delicious it looks? I like to have the meat very fried, so I'm gonna leave it in here for a little bit longer so that the ribs can get very crispy. I left it frying for 2 more minutes, and now I'm gonna add the nopalitos. Then we're gonna mix it. And we gotta wait till the nopales release all the juice that they have to release, and they're gonna turn color. I'm gonna cover it up. So it's been cooking for about 8 minutes, and the nopalitos already released all its juice. Now we're gonna add the sauce. This is a part where you can check to see if the sauce has enough chicken bouillon, or if you want to add more, or if you need any, or you can also add salt. To me, this is perfect. And now we're gonna let it simmer for like another 5 minutes. Okay, the ribs are done. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Wow, miren qué delicioso. They look delicious. For me, I like to add a little bit of extra oregano once they're ready, so it can have a little bit more flavor of oregano. And now it's time to enjoy un plato de costillitas con nopales. I already have my rice and my beans, and I'm all set to go. Okay, guys. Ya tengo mucha hambre. I will let you know how it is. Una costillita. The sauce is perfect. Los nopalitos. Right. And the costillas.
Are they spicy?
No, they're not very spicy. They have a little kick, but it's perfect. Mm-hmm. I think the boys can eat them.
Oh, nice.
Perfect. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I really hope you try this recipe, and if you do and you like it, please give us a big thumbs up.